Are you inspired to create your own successful online business in the next 30 days? Well, you landed in just the perfect spot, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing my 15 actionable tips and secrets you can use to generate massive momentum in your online business and free yourself up to do the things that you love. So sit down, buckle up, and let's get into this. All right, guys, welcome back. Matt Steinman here, digital lifestyle entrepreneur and founder at Armor Marketing, where I talk about the latest marketing tips and strategies, starting and scaling an automated passive income machine online, and creating a digital lifestyle that'll free you up to do the things you love. And in this video, we're gonna run through 15 quick, actionable tips and secrets that you can use starting today to build that momentum into your online business. So let's get into this, guys. There's gonna be a link down below. I have actually answered this question that somebody else asked on a website called Quora.com. Some of you may be familiar with it already. If you are, awesome. If not, I highly recommend either contributing on Quora or going there to kind of research your online business, what people are doing in the digital marketing space, and a ton of other stuff that you can find on there. So I'm going to jump into this really quick. So here are the 15 actionable tips and secrets in no particular order. The first one is to outrank your competitors. So content's going to be around for a while, guys, and now is the best time to start driving traffic, whether it be organic or paid traffic. There's tons of different ways, there's methods to do this stuff, but I would first concentrate your efforts on search engine optimization if you have a website, and list building. So you want to capture people's email addresses, because your email list is going to be super powerful down the road. Number 2, you need to do the research. Always keep an eye out for what your competitors are doing. So if you are blogging, find similar blogs, see what they are blogging about, see what some of their highest ranking content is, and model what they're doing. You can also use, social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, do a ton of research on there as well. Number 3, selecting a reoccurring affiliate program, profitable affiliate program. First, you want to select a product or service that is in your niche, one that appeals to you, one that you have knowledge on, one that you can speak efficiently on. You want to be kind of act as the expert when people seek you out. So there's always select a product that has a reoccurring commission, meaning that you'll get paid month in and month out without doing any kind of extra work. Number 4, you need to stand behind the product or company that you are affiliated with. So you need to purchase their products, you need to experience everything that they are offering in their business. So if they offer training or some kind of course, whatever it is, I highly recommend you purchase that. It's an investment in yourself, and you need to actually go through that. So when people ask you questions who are interested in purchasing from you or from your affiliate link, you can give them a well-educated answer. Number 5, I believe we are on. Yes, number 5. So you don't need all the fancy tools to get started. There's a ton of software that you can be using to automate your business, to get more leads, to anything. What you need to do is utilize free software and resources that you can, whether it be for graphic design or creating a WordPress blog, or whatever it may be, and also utilize free trials. A lot of software companies offer a 14 or 30-day free trial. Utilize those to your best of your ability, and you won't have to hopefully pay for those pieces of software. You'll start earning commissions in the first hopefully 14 to 30 days, where you can actually have that software paid for you. Number 6, avoid beginner mistakes. Do not start self-promoting your links across social media, just blasting it out there. I've seen it a million times. It's not gonna work. There is no easy way to kind of get into this affiliate marketing ecosystem without sharing value and providing value to people who are going to purchase from you. So don't go out there friend requesting people and shooting them your affiliate link. It's not going to work. That's what gives affiliate marketers a bad rap, and quite honestly, it kind of ruins our reputation. So do not just spam your affiliate links all over the place. Number 7, the money isn't everything. So I'm sure you've seen a ton of people posting their screenshots online. You know, they made $22,000 in the last 12 days, or they just had a $4,000 day. Whatever it is, the money isn't everything, guys. You need to grind it day in and day out. Enjoy the process. It's a journey. You're going to learn a ton of stuff. You're going to fail along the way. But just know that the money isn't everything. You want to help contribute to, society, and help contribute to other people who want to better their life and earn a passive income online. Number 8 is to engage with your audience. So become an active participant in forums, Facebook groups, and even create your own. I wouldn't really recommend creating a forum at this point in the internet game, but it's super easy and free to create a Facebook group where you can kind of build your own tribe, and the people that follow you will get to know, like, and trust you even more, and you'll always be at the forefront of people's mind. So either a Facebook group or constantly posting on LinkedIn, answering people's comments, just engage with your audience. So number 9 is to focus on content. So this is the absolute core of affiliate marketing. Customers are going to benefit from helpful content, whether it be videos, whether it be on your blog post. There's always going to be people searching for solutions to their problems online. And if they land on your content that's valuable, that helps them solve their problem, more than likely they're going to follow through and either click on one of the links that lead to an affiliate offer, or start following you, and eventually they will purchase something from you if you continue to offer some value to them. So focus on the content. It can be YouTube, it can be your blog, it could be on Quora, and that content lives on the internet forever. It's evergreen. So people could be searching for something 2 years down the road and land on your video, and before you know it, you're generating free leads, you're generating sales without doing anything. It's evergreen content. So focus on writing at the beginning, focus on quantity, and then once you get better at writing and presenting and creating videos, focus on quality. So that is number 9. Number 10 is focus your niche, or find a niche, an industry that you can relate to, one that you firmly believe solves a problem for your audience. And as I said earlier, you need to kind of find a product or service that you are familiar with, that you have experience with in your past life, or not really your past life, your past experiences or whatever, whether it be, from a corporate world or a hobby or whatever it is. So you want to be able to walk the talk. Number 11 is to create your own offers. So in addition to just promoting the product and exponentially increases your chance of a sale, you need to bundle in your own bonuses with the offer, with the affiliate offer that you're providing. So if you're promoting an ebook or a $7 training course or something, you need to add some, whether it's software, whether it's more resources, whether it's some of your own templates, whether it's a ClickFunnels sales funnel that you created that you can give to them. Anything to help them along the process of their journey and solving their problems even quicker than they would expect. So create your own offers, sweeten the pot, and you will eventually win. Number 12 is to use the product yourself. So this might be a little bit of overlap with some other ones, but you need to start experiencing the product for yourself. Create videos, create content around using the product. People usually want what other people have if it helps them solve a problem, especially if they see it online. If you're, doing a tutorial or something, it helps you gain trust with your audience, and these usually lead to a sale. So immerse yourself in the product. That will make you an expert in the product, and you can easily sell it to somebody else. They'll be looking for the solution to their problem, and you have the solution. Number 13 is to nurture your audience. So affiliate marketing is a long-term strategy for making passive money online. So do not promote too many products at one time. You need to nurture them by providing them with reviews, testimonials, and other value-related content to help convert them into a buyer. So again, you need to be on all these different platforms, whether it be Facebook, Quora, forum websites, LinkedIn, whatever it is. You need to nurture your audience, always be in front of them, answering their questions. They'll eventually click on, your bio or a link to go somewhere to an offer and eventually buy from you. So that's number 13, nurture your audience. Number 14 is to build multiple traffic sources. So don't put your eggs all in one basket, because it could be very, very costly down the road. We're kind of leveraging these other platforms like Facebook and Google and all these advertising platforms. And with one tweak of their algorithm, it can completely wipe out your traffic. It can completely wipe out all of your ads that are making you money. So you don't want to focus on just one traffic source. We want to diversify and develop multiple methods for driving traffic to your site. So get on other platforms, get on Pinterest, get on Instagram, get on TikTok, whatever it is. Get your name, get your brand, get whatever out there. You need to stay in front of your audience at all times. And number 15 is probably the most important one there is. I should have put this one number 1, is belief. This is one of the most important aspects of affiliate marketing, believing that you can achieve, that anything is possible. You absolutely will run into roadblocks. You will fail. It might take you 2 months. It might take you 6 months. Some people, it takes 2 years. But at the end of the day, if you keep faith and believe you will succeed, you absolutely will. There's no doubt about it. That's just how the universe works. Again, it could take some time, but if you have the willingness and the dedication, the faith and the belief, you will succeed. So if you guys are still sticking around here till the end, there is a link down below. I'll leave buttons down here wherever you are on mobile or desktop. There's going to be links to a 15-day online business training that walks you through step by step what to do to start a successful online business. It's $7. Let me repeat that. It's $7 to go through this 15-day training. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and you get over $2,000 in free bonuses just from this training. So if you guys are serious, you're going to take me up on this offer. If you're not, I guess this video isn't for you. But I want you guys to know that making passive money through affiliate marketing is absolutely doable. There's thousands of people doing it out there. It just takes hard work, dedication, and belief. So lastly, again, never, ever give up. Have faith in your success and know that the road will be bumpy. I want everybody watching this to experience a freedom lifestyle where they can do anything that they love. I hope to see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys take action on this, and I hope to see you guys start earning a passive income online. We'll see you on the next video.